How many passwords do you have? Probably too many, right? And also, do you remember them all? Well, I have a lot of passwords across the internet. And what makes it hard to remember is some of them are different. And also, I'm the person who doesn't like to save the password on the PC. So clicking that forget password has been something I have done pretty often. And recently, I got this device, which is called the Everykey. It's a USB looking thing, and what it does is to store all your passwords and login access into this device. And it also has some cool features that we will take a look later in the video. Alright, now let's see what comes in the box. Here comes the menu first, which also is a quick start guide. And on this cardboard, it says the website and the setup link. And this is the actual Everykey. And it also comes with a keychain, so we can put this in here and link it with your key, which is really convenient. And also here comes the USB charge cable. It's kind of short. I wish they have a longer version. And beside this thing, you can get some accessories too, like this one is the USB dongle. When you don't have a Bluetooth connection on your PC or laptop, it's come in handy. And also, if you like to wear bracelet, they have this too. So you can put your Everykey in here. And to set up this thing is really easy. All we need to do is follow this link on this cardboard, everykey.com/setup. We can download the Everykey app and we just need to create an account. Then the Everykey application will automatically process to the next step. And then we need to press and hold the only button on the key to turn it on. And then just click the search within the Everykey app to begin the searching for the Everykey. And once Everykey appears on the screen, click pair. The Everykey will now begin the pairing process. After finishing the setup, there are a few ways to store your password. And the first one is import. Select the source that you want to import, such as Google Chrome, and you will import every single password that you have used in the Google Chrome. And the second one is manual enter. It's really simple. All we need to do is just enter the website, the login ID, and the password. And the third way is the auto save when you visit the website. This can be done when you manually enter the login ID and password on the web or you previously saved. Then there's a pop-up window asking if you want to save the password to the Everykey. All three methods works the same as long as you have your password saved into this Everykey. And the rest is a piece of cake. Alright, and now we are on the web. And I have a few passwords saved into this key. And now let's see how it works. Let's go to the Costco. It's gonna ask me choose the account. I just click that. And then boom, I'm in the account now. So let's go to Wayfair, menu, my orders, and boom, I'm in there. This is nice, man. And the battery on this little thing is pretty impressive. This guy lasts me about a week, but it also depends on how often you use this Everykey, so it might be less or more. And when the battery is low, you will get an email notification, which is really nice. It will indicate how much battery you have and ask you to charge it as soon as you can. Another cool feature about this key is the auto lock. So if you're working on an environment where you have to lock and unlock your PC all the time, so this guy comes in handy. When you walk away from your desktop, it will lock the computer so no one can access it, which I think is really important and safe in some cases. And when you are back, it's really simple to log back in your PC too. Simply just press your enter and then you're in. Right now, this Everykey can working on the PC, laptop, and phones. But they're working on the cars and also smart doors. And also they claim this key to be a military grade security, which means it's gonna be super safe. I'm pretty sure it's safer than the firewall on your PC. However, if you ever lost this key, you don't have to panic. We can freeze it in the app so no one can access the password or use this as their keys. Overall, I think this key is super helpful and nice to have. If you want to save your password in somewhere really safe and also can be easy access, I will have the link in the description box below. Feel free to check the detail and hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out!